My first rooster of the year of my trip down to Cabo. I saw a bunch of pelicans and ran down the beach with my truck and hooked up. I've got him on my really light rod too, so I don't know how long. He hadn't stopped running yet. It's been about 2 minutes, and got so many pelicans. This buddy down the beach here, he's got one on also. So luckily I've got lots and lots and lots of line. Finally the pelicans have cleared out. My fish. No, shoot! I got this pelican in the line. Yeah. Well, it's so hard to keep the pelicans out of your line. This fish has not stopped yet. I'm going to try to go this way. Finally, the pelicans have cleared out of here. So, this fish is super powerful. Oh no. This guy came off down the beach. He broke off, or no, the lure came out. My fish is so far out. Wow, what a fish. I caught him on my little light camera rod. Of course they'll all dirty fish. Huh? Not too big fish. From the beach. Wow.